Hey, if you wonder how you can install the SIM card into your POCO X6 Pro, first of all, you will have to get the card in the nano size, and after this, you will have to get the SIM tool and locate the SIM tray. So it's located at the bottom and next to the USB-C port. So right here, we have to input the SIM tool, press on it gently, and now when you hear this characteristical click and see that can actually now remove it with your fingers, I can recommend you to use your fingernails and gently pull it towards you like this. Now let's take a look for the SIM card slot. As you can see, we can actually input the two SIM cards. So I'm gonna put it on the first one, and that's how we can actually put it in this position. Now just press on it. When you hear a click sound, it will look like this. It's completely flat. The SIM card doesn't come over this SIM tray. So now we have to put it back. And just remember to put this hole on the left side. Now press on it. And after a few seconds, you will find on your POCO that the SIM card is turned on, because you will get your mobile data turned on. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.